This is a country comparison by size. We'll show you with our square mileage. Yeah, we'll keep you advised with this country comparison by size. We'll go from small to large, it may come as some surprise. We are the 7 continents of the world you live on. Let's learn about the continents together as one.
We are the county of Romania. There is 41 of them we're gonna teach ya. Romania has 1 municipality. We will say our names and our geography. I'm the
Why do we sleep? There are several theories that explain the different roles of sleep so we can feel great again. Sleep's important for your mood, physical and mental health. It's good for aging and repairing cells. Sleep's important. Let me introduce ya to the island nation we all know as St. Lucia. The Caribbean Sea and Atlantic we meet. We'll show ya. Come on vacation in our nation of St. Lucia. We're 11 quarters, come check out our borders. I'm the Caro satellite, my mission was a delay. I was set out to bring rocky planets outside the solar system into sight.
How to remove objects in your photos in 15 seconds? Let's go. Just drag your finger over any object and boom, it just...
I'm San Marino, and I want you to know that I am in Europe, and I am very old. We're the 9 municipalities. It is nice to meet you. We're surrounded by Italy.
What's a pulled muscle? Also known as a muscle strain. Let's take a deeper look to see what causes this pain. When you're
We are the 31 regions that are given to Tanzania, and here you will be living. We are the 31 regions that are given to the 31st largest country. Hope you are believing. This is
India has 28 states and 8 union territories in South Asia. That is where they do be. India has a capital and it's called New Delhi. It's the 7th largest country in the world, you see. Andhra.
Achoo! Why do we sneeze? It's a protective reflex. Let's take a closer look at why this is complex. Have you ever wondered how broken bones heal? Here I'll tell you how your body works and how it might feel when a bone breaks in. We are the primary colors: red, yellow, and blue. When you mix us together, we turn a color that's new. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Look in the night sky to see a part of me. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Your solar system's just a tiny part of me.
Can small things make a real impact in the world? When you choose the Giving Pump at Shell.
What is a noun? It's a person, place, or thing. Let's learn about the proper and common noun as we sing. What is a noun? It's a person, place, or thing. There are many types of nouns. To this lesson we shall bring. I am a verb. I am any kind of action word, and forming the main part of the predicate of a sentence you've heard. I am a verb. I am any kind of action word. I even describe a state or occurrence. Let's get to know some verbs. What are the 7 wonders of the world? We will soon show. Let's take a trip around the world to see the wonders we know. Let's stop off at kids learn it too. What would happen if the earth had 2 suns? Let's take a look at the earth with a binary star system. Why do we yawn? Yawning is a normal behavior you see when you open your mouth while taking a deep breath so free. The exact reason why we yawn is not fully understood. There are several theories proposed to explain this and why it's good. One theory suggests yawning helps increase the... If you're headed to the east coast of the USA, go visit New York City where you can stay and play. New York City was first sight, hearing, touch, smell, and what you taste are the big 5 senses that you use every day. The enough to burn. What is the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, or JPL in short, used for research and development, and the NASA Field Center? Spans, it's called the 7 countries that make up Central America. Colombia's to our south, Mexico's to our north. We will teach you our names and our capitals, of course. We are the 7 countries that make up Central America. Caribbean seas to our east and Pacifics to the west. If you remember our locations and names, it would be best. We are the 7 countries that make up Central America.
You can see Ethiopia is near. With 11 divisions, you will agree. The most populous landlocked country, that's Ethiopia. Our capital is Addis Ababa.
Driving the Nissan Rogue with Google built in is like...
Hey Google, turn on Rocky's Food.
Examples as we learn more from. What is a light year? Well, I will teach you within this rhyme. Where does 1 light year start in the vacuum of space-time? This is a hurricane and here's a typhoon. Both produce strong winds. What's the difference between the two? Why do I have lice and how do I get rid of it? Let's look at both of these questions and learn a tidbit. A life infection. I'm the pineal gland located in the midline of your brain, a small endocrine gland, and now you know my name. I'm the pineal gland, a ductless gland that secretes a hormone called melatonin directly to the bloodstream. Since a wild boar. A cow's a large domesticated mammal, also called cattle, raised for their meat, milk, and other dairy products you should know. Cows are common distance up to. Let's do a size comparison with some sports balls and see. To compare planet sizes with these sports balls is key. Oh, nothing could be finer than South Carolina. We're 46 counties in the great USA. Oh, nothing could be finer than South Carolina. We touch the Atlantic Ocean, come sing and play. And get custom birds. Penguins are the group of birds that don't take flight, and they are mostly the 2 colors, black and white. Penguins. What are bruises and how do they form? Let's take a look at these contusions and why they're the norm. When you cut yourself and cut skin is revealed, the question may come up, how does the skin heal? After you viper. Vipers are known as venomous snakes with long fangs to deliver their venom with strength. Vipers are. Do you have pain in your neck? If so, I won't fib. That pain might be caused from a cervical rip. What are
Make fast your default. Make safe your default.
59 districts within the country of Zimbabwe. We're the country of alphabet today. We are the districts within Zimbabwe. We stand alive in the continent of Africa today.
Have you ever wondered which is the world's largest lake? Let's see which lake this is, for goodness sake. If we travel to Central Asia and Eastern Europe, you will find the largest lake in the world by surface area as defined. This lake. We are the 13 regions of Greece. In southeastern Europe, touching the Mediterranean Sea, we're the 13 regions of Greece, the birthplace of democracy and Western philosophy. What is anthropogenic space weather? We shall see. These are environmental pollutants from human activity. These are the mountains of Asia, the highest but not the driest mountains in the world. You'll see we supply fresh water to millions of humans and animals in Asia. We're part of life force energy. Asia's high. Kids learn it too. Hey, let's do a size comparison. Here are the 10 biggest moons in our solar system. Hey, let's do a size comparison. We're moons that orbit planets. Come sing along for fun. I'm your brain, part of the central nervous system. Your cranium's my home, and if you wanna learn, then listen. I'm the boss of all the functions in your body. I weigh about 3 pounds, but I'm the leader of the party. Without my I'm the ISS, the International Space Station. 1998 was the year that begun my construction. I make multiple orbits around the Earth every day. Let's learn more about my history as we orbit in space. Get your favorite t-shirt or the multiplication table. Remember me because you're able. We'll learn to multiply 1 through 10 up to 100 because you can. Do you want a free month? When you multiply any number by 1, it always equals the same number as when you begun. When you multiply any number by 1, it always equals the same number. Let's work an equation.
We are a landmark, come here by car. We are located in Iraq, thus far. Our landmark is Iraq's most western governorate. We're the biggest in our country, do not forget. Al-Qaim is my name.
Structures. This is a jellyfish. It comes in many colors. You can see through some jellyfish, but not through others. Am I a mammal, reptile, fish, bird, insect, or invertebrate? If you guessed invertebrate, your guess was the winning bet. Jellyfish.
Hey guys, it's me,
We are the provinces of Armenia. We're 10 of them. Let's sing again, yeah. We're one special city of this country. Say all their names once you're hearing.
Get your favorite t-shirt. What's the Eiffel Tower? It's a wrought iron lattice tower in Paris, France. When you visit me, take the elevator to the top floor if you have the chance. The Eiffel Tower was the main exhibit at the World's Fair in 1889, built to commemorate the centennial of the French Revolution at that time. When you hit your funny bone, it isn't funny. Have you ever wondered where your funny bone could be? When looking, get your favorite Kids Learning Tube t-shirt or song today. I'm your skull, I'm made up of 22 bones. I protect the all-important brain while it calls me its home. I'm your skull, I support the soft tissue on your head, a framework of bone or cartilage, this knowledge I spread. We'll have a whale of a time deep in the ocean as we dive. You'll see the smallest of whales and see how large they can thrive. Whales are classified as mammals, you're a lot like them, you know. They're all milk-secreting, warm-blooded vertebrate animals. The highly intelligent orca, also known as a killer whale, will take the splash and learn about them. They have a whale of a tail. Am I a reptile, amphibian, fish, bird, insect, or mammal? I am a mammal. It's a type of animal. Orcas
These are 3D shapes called pyramids, that's what they are. A triangular based polyhedra, it's bizarre.
What happens in your body when you have a common cold? Let's take a look inside and see how this virus unfolds. We are the adverbs. We modify everything that's not a noun. We can describe or modify any verb or adjective around. We are adverbs. We typically describe a verb. We explain how, when, or where something happened. You will learn. That means the right half of their. We all love animals, they are all around. Here's the biggest and smallest animals we had found. Get your favorite kids. I am your spleen. You will learn what this means. I am purple, 5 inches long, and I'm shaped like a bean. I'm your spleen. You will learn what this means. I produce antibodies and I keep your blood clean.
Double, there's 9 municipalities and 1 compendent city. We also have 1 negative district. We're located in the Philippines. Let's learn more about this. I am